Are you a fresher trying to get into data science but feeling confused about what companies actually expect? Today I will show three real companies hiring right now and what skills you really need to get selected. Okay, let's go. Let's look at these roles one by one. I will keep it simple so you can understand exactly what to focus on. First, we have United Airlines Company. Role is associate analyst, data scientist. Sorry. First, this is an associate data scientist role at United Airlines. This role is mainly focused on solving real world problems using data. And they mentioned here is the qualification, like you need bachelor's degree uh, in computer science or statistics like this, and 0 to 2 years of experience can apply. So freshers have the great opportunity to apply for this role. Experience, these are the languages need to know, and you can click apply now, and you can apply to this role. And make sure you have change your resume as per this job description, so that you can more chance of getting shortlisted. uh, this is 14th of 4th month 2026 uploaded, and make sure you have apply for this role as soon as possible. Second, we have this is also associate data scientist role, posted 6 days ago. This here you see that you have to collect, clean, and manage clients' data. This is a simple, and you need bachelor's degree and 1 to 3 years of experience can apply for this role. Need to know this language Python, R, and SQL. These are the requirements for this role. And next we have City. Here is the City careers page, data science and analyst role. It is uploaded on 10th of April. Uh, and here is also same data collection, cleaning, EDA, everything, documenting, reporting. This is the best opportunity for freshers to start their career. Yeah, this is very simple. As a data scientist, you have already worked in uh, all of these fields. Then qualification is bachelor's or master's degree, and Python is essential, SQL, all these are essential. As a data scientist you already know all these languages. Then we have another role. This is also Circle K company, and this is also career page of Circle K company. Role is associate data scientist. Here also same work you have to do, and they require bachelor's degree in business statistics and 1 to 2 years of experience. If you have already did projects, real world projects, then you can apply for this role. Don't see this 1 to 2 years of experience and don't stop applying. Apply. If you get shortlisted, there is you can explain, like I have the skills and I have experience like doing this project, so that you need to convince the interviewer, so that you can get the job. Before that, you just apply, change your resume, and just apply for this job. If you are if you have the good luck, then you can get the shortlist and get the job. Then we have one more. This is also data scientist role. Here also same, bachelor's degree and 0 to 2 years of experience can apply. You can check all this in description. I have provided all the links in the description. Make sure you go through and apply as soon as possible. This is the best chance to start your career in data field. Yeah, these are the today openings. If you want a daily job openings like this, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. I can post daily job openings, minimum 3 to 5, so that you can apply and get a job easily. Thank you.